We've been traveling and traveling.
And
We went traveling. We've been through seven national parks.
We've had a visit from our best friends from California, and I celebrated
Somebody had
a birthday. This is Mike.
And this is Joey.
And we're with
Our Mobile Backpack.
We're coming to you from Crescent Bar, Thousand Trails.
In Quincy, Washington.
And we're highlighting the beautiful
Columbia River.
We're overlooking that. It's so amazing.
Incredible view. Just
We
incredible.
were very, very lucky. This is a very busy Thousand Trails, and we were able to get in here for one night.
Yeah.
And
so we enjoyed it.
we've
We enjoyed the
it.
view. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. So
We haven't had a video out now in almost 2 weeks, and for good reason. We've been traveling and traveling. We went traveling. We've been through seven national parks.
We've had a visit from our best friends from California, and I celebrated
Somebody had
a birthday.
We had a good time at the birthday. We went whitewater rafting in the Snake River out in Montana by the Grand Tetons National Park. That was wonderful.
Great.
Now the thing is though, in these parks, you don't really get any cell service. It's not like you got weak cell service. Most of the time you got nothing. So it's been really hard for us to keep up on that. So we've been enjoying ourselves, having a good time, and now we put together a video for you, and you'll be able to check out some of this. I think you're going to enjoy it.
And it's all about enjoying life anyway.
That's
so we hope that you understand that we were out doing what we love to do, and now we're going to be able to share a little bit of that with you over the past few weeks of all the adventures that we've been to.
That's right. And keep this in mind, we're getting towards 1 year, just a few weeks away from being on the road for 1 year, and we're putting together a nice video for that you don't want to miss.
Right.
So, okay, so between Memorial Day and July the 4th, we went through 7 national parks.
We started out in Arches and CanyonLands out in Moab. So then the next day we went over again to Zion and did some hiking and so forth up there. And then we moved over to Utah, and that's when our friends came to visit us
In
from
western
California,
Utah.
in western Utah, and we went to Zion National Park. Now, since our friends were here and they hadn't seen a couple of the other parks, we did some spontaneous tours.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
one of them was just right out of Zion. We went the east side of Zion, I think it was, and then came out the other end, and then all of a sudden we all four decided, let's go to the north rim of
That's
Grand
right.
Canyon.
So it was a couple hour run.
So we ran over to the Grand Canyon, and my best friend got to see the north rim of the Grand Canyon for the very first time. It was so exciting
awesome.
to watch the expression on her face. And we did a little hike there and had dinner, got back in the car and drove all the way back to Hurricane, Utah.
That's right.
Oh no, it was Lavorcan. We were in Lavorcan at that time.
Okay.
Anyway. So we're in the car and we're heading up one of the driveways that you can go in your vehicle in Zion National Park, and we're going to go through the tunnel and some of the beautiful rock formations here. We're going to be taking pictures and maybe a little video to share with you along the way. Girl power, and we made a spontaneous decision between the four of us that we're going to the north rim of the Grand Canyon. Road trip!
Look at Joey.
This is your first time visiting the Grand Canyon. What do you think?
Look at the mountain beyond the canyon with the snow on top.
Yeah. Way up there.
Wow.
Oh my
Yes.
God.
That's cool.
It makes me a little dizzy because it's like, ooh, it's right there and it's really deep. But wow. Wow, look at the
We're excited to share it with you.
Yeah, that I'm gonna get further.
Yeah, we're gonna get up to that.
Yeah.
And then we all made the decision to go to Bryce Canyon.
Yep.
Oh my
My
God.
God.
That is such a beautiful.
What a neat place, right?
Yeah.
Bryce
Yeah.
is. Boy,
If you
that's the
haven't
one
been to Bryce,
you got to go to
go.
Bryce. You know, Grand Canyon, you got to go to the Grand Canyon. You've got to if you've never been there. That's a must-do place. Bryce was one of the second best, I believe. Bryce was really something.
And Arches. Arches
No,
would be
Arches is
my
a whole
third.
nother
That's a whole
story,
nother
yeah.
story.
That's
It's
incredible too. You don't want to miss those.
It's a national park full of adventures, so
That's
you've got to
right.
find your adventures within the park.
And of
so.
course, Yellowstone.
Yellowstone.
We were at Grand Teton, was awesome. This beautiful view of the Teton. But Yellowstone is huge. This is a park that's like 100 miles wide and long. Incredible. And we're going to show you some coming up. We're going to show you some of the videos, some of the pictures, the wild animals, the buffaloes, you know, all that is really something.
We even got the buffalo crossing in front of our vehicle. It was so cool.
It was great. Now.
Is that cool or what? We get to see Old Faithful go off at the moment we arrive. That is so cool. So one of the things is we're way up ahead of the people, and so we can see much more of it.
That's right. I just wanted to say happy 4th of July.
Yes, it's the 4th of July weekend. We're here early, so we got to see it early and not super, super crowded. So that's kind of cool.
One side to the other, yeah.
Here we go. Here's a bunch of
this.
Right.
So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We're still working on our first 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And for all of those subscribers that did sign up with us in the last video, we say thank you.
Thank you very much.
We really appreciate everyone that clicks us up towards that 1,000 mark.
That's right.
We got a ways to go, but we'll get there.
We'll get there.
We'll get there.
Yep.
So if nothing else, share this with your friends. And if you're not familiar, we are also on Instagram and Facebook under Our Mobile Backpack. So come on over and check us. We do daily stuff on those things. So come on over and check those out. We love you all. And what do we do best, baby?
Don't forget to take a little time and enjoy
enjoy
life.
Bye.